just like dead calm till a boat came along. Propeller going. And off we go. Gotta watch out for over there. There's a rock or two. We'll turn around. Oh man, that thing is like hydroplane. Come in on the shallow side, like right over here. Now I'm squeezing the trigger real tight. Something over in the distance we'll stay away from. We'll keep it real nice and close right here. We'll spin around over here. Whoa. Not sure what happened there, but I kind of like got a problem. So let's come in. See what we picked up. Yeah, picked up some leaves. Go back out. Woohoo, baby. There you go. All along the shoreline. Beautiful turn. And we'll head right towards us. Straight line. And cut right back out. Whoa, didn't want to hit the thing. Do a little flip? Nope. Jump my own little wake. Woohoo! Thing don't want to slow down. All right, she's slowing down, so that's a sign of my fun. I don't want to overdo it. That's like 379 on the battery. We'll see when we get home. And I also picked up some leaves, as you can see. Never know what you pick up.